The TRADESAFE miniature circuit breaker lockout secures breaker tie bars directly at the source, keeping equipment safely isolated during maintenance. This lockout is designed to clamp securely onto breaker tie bars up to 17 seconds wide. The thumb screw design engages quickly and firmly, locking out single or multi-pole miniature breakers without the need for tools. Its body is molded from non-conductive, impact-resistant nylon, reducing the risk of shock while standing up to harsh job site conditions. Compact but robust, the lock measures 1 3/4 inches tall with a 1/4 inch metal clip and a 9/32 shackle hole that fits standard safety padlocks. This breaker lockout is made to exceed OSHA standards, ensuring that once installed, breakers stay locked until authorized removal. TRADESAFE miniature circuit breaker lockout delivers reliable isolation and peace of mind for your lockout tagout procedures.